What's up everybody, Bandit here. So here on the Can-Am Outlander, the Outlander L models, the 450 and the 570, you just have these headlights right here that control both your high and your low beam. It's two different settings there within the same housing, and actually this little hole right here is blocked off, which is where you'd find some extra lighting there on your normal Outlander models, your 650, 850, and 1000. So thanks to our friends at Auxbeam, I'm hooked up with a new set of these LED pods. They're actually side shooter pods. You can see the extra row of LEDs going down the side there, and this should really help illuminate the trail. Now, no matter what you're doing, whether it's you're using your four-wheeler for hunting purposes, for trail riding, or for work around the house, it could be snow plowing, hauling brush, whatever you use this thing for, extra light is certainly handy when it's pretty dark outside. So I'm really excited to try these out. They can be found on Amazon anywhere between $30 and $35 for the pair, and I think they look really great. I just ran the wiring right through the grill here, and then tucked all the wiring inside, and then actually mounted my switch up here below my gauge cluster. I found this switch at Tractor Supply. Supposedly it's an indoor-outdoor switch. It should be water resistant. Here's a look at the packaging. But that's the only thing from Auxbeam I did not use is the factory switch. I did use their wiring harness and I did use their lights, and I'm really excited to try these things out. I think they really help dress up the front of the Outlander, make it look a lot more premium, and should really help to add extra light out on the trail. So when I had my 1991 Honda 4Trax, I actually mounted a light bar right up here on the rack. But since then, I realized that when you do that, you really take a lot of usability out of your rack, or you block some of your light. You really can't have both when you mount your lights to your rack. So for this one, I did go ahead, I got the XT bumper when I purchased my Outlander, which is not an XT, but I did go through the Can-Am parts catalog to get that. And I just mounted my LEDs up here. So with the side shooters and the 12 forward-facing LEDs for each one, it really should help to add a lot of extra light. Now they are mounted on these adjustable brackets, so it'd be very easy to pitch it forward, left, right, up, down, kind of get the exact angle that you need out of these lights. And then I used the Auxbeam wiring harness, just ran it right through the grill, tucked my extra wiring right here, and then ran everything back to the battery. Low beam, high beam, low beam with pods, high beam with pods. So overall, I'm really happy with the way this all integrated into my Outlander. I think the switch looks great there below the factory gauge cluster. And then moving around to the front, I really do think it adds a lot to the front of the four-wheeler, and definitely adds some usability as well. So if you are interested in getting a set of these for yourself, they are found down in the description of the video and the comment section, so definitely check them out. And Auxbeam has provided a 10% off coupon to you as viewers, so definitely a huge shout out to them. Thank you all for making this video possible at Auxbeam, and thank you all very much for watching. Have a fantastic week, everybody. We'll catch you next time.